Hey everyone, welcome to ITPK. In today's quick video, I will show you how to change the administrator account name in Windows 11. We will go through three easy methods and make sure you stay till end because the last one is the simplest and fastest way to do it. So let's get started. At the search bar of your desktop screen, please type Control Panel. In Control Panel, please go to User Accounts. Let's maximize this. Go to Change Account Type. Now click on your local administrator account and go to Change Account Name. Here you could go ahead and input your required name for your local administrator account. Now in the second method, right click on your Start menu and go to Computer Management. In Computer Management, please double click on Local User and Group, then go to User, and here I have only enabled Local User account. Just double click on this, and in the full name section, you could go ahead change the local username according to your requirement. Let's click Apply and then OK. Okay, now let's go ahead and see the last and quick method to change the name of local username. In your start menu, first type run. In the run, please type netplwiz and then click OK. Here you got the local username and which is also an administrator. Make sure you have selected this and go to properties. In the properties, you could go ahead and change the username from here. Like I want username IT admin and the full name IT admin as well. Click apply and then OK and again OK. Make sure you have to restart after every time you have changed the local username or the password. And that's it. Your administrator account has now been changed successfully. We have covered all the different ways from control panel and computer management to this final and easiest method. This last one works on every edition of Windows 11 and is by far the most reliable option. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might find it useful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.